Hello everyone, today I will show you the remote control. If you want to use the remote control to control the HDL system, you need to use the HDL gateway, for example, Passport gateway or other HDL Passport gateway. This gateway we can call it one-port switch or Passport gateway. This gateway is between HDL Passport system and the Internet. It can realize the data transmission between HDL Passport and the Internet. Okay, let's go back to the settings. This is our Passport software. First, we need to search the gateway which you connected. This one is my gateway. Double click it, you can see it has some type. Local network, P2P, remote server, URL, MQTT, and for local, if you want to control the devices in local, you can select local network. But today I will show you use the remote. So we need to select remote server. It has the group name, project name, username, and the password. This you can set according to you. You can set, for example, your company name, the project name, and the user. This you can set anything, but don't make it none. And you need to set the server IP. If you don't have the server, you can use HDL server. This is the HDL server IP 115.29.251.24. This HDL server IP, and this is HDL server port. You can use HDL server and HDL server port. And in the last, there has the zoom enable. This one can read the network time. You can select the time zone in your country or in your city. After you enable the zoom, so the panel, HDL panels, DLP panels can read the time and the date. Okay, save it. This one need to set remote server settings. Very easy. First step, set the remote server. And second, because the gateway is connected to the internet, connect to the router must have the internet, because the remote server need to has internet. So two things. First one is select remote server, fill in your project information, and use HDL server IP. This is the first one. Second one is this gateway connect to the router and make sure the router has the internet. So very simple, just two steps. After I set this, how can I check or how can I use remote access? Okay, for example, this is my PC. Maybe I'm in the office. But I want to remote to my home. How can I do it? First, you need to run the Passport software and then go to the option. There has the second page, remote access. Go here, type, select default servers. This means HDL server. You can see HDL server IP, and then you can fill in your group name. For example, my group name is demo. Search it. So this is my project. You can see there is a green color. Green color means it is on site now. If there is the black color, that means the project is offline. Okay, if you have many projects, it will show here. Select the project which you want to remote connect, and then fill in the password. This password is set in your gateway. Okay, and then connect. You can see it is connect success. Please see this IP, current selected IP 115.29.251.24. This is the server IP, so I can search it. Now I'm using remote access. This is for remote access to program it or check the problem. And if you want to use HDL app, for example, HDL on this app to control your system, we can use local control and remote control. For example, you go to other city, you can use HDL on app, this app, to remote control your home. Okay, now I select back to my local. Okay, select local. And then I can search again. Now it is in local. You can see the current IP. Current selected IP is local IP. This is my local. For remote control, very easy. We can check again. Select remote server. Fill in group name, project name, username, and the password. Use HDL server IP, server port. First step, and second step is make sure the router has the internet. Okay, this for remote. And now I will show you HDL app. Okay, for example, our HDL on HDL app. Okay, I will show you. This is my phone. I'm download the HDL on app. If your phone is iOS, you can search the HDL on in the Apple Store. If your phone is Android, so you can go to the Google Drive search HDL on S. So different. This is my HDL on app. Okay, click it. This is the first page of our HDL on app. But how can we program it? Okay. If you want to program HDL on data, we need to use Bussport software. Okay, go back to Bussport software. How can we program the settings? Okay. First, you need to search the device, or if you know the address of each device, you no need to search it. Wait a moment, there is 2 devices in same address. Okay, change it. Go to the function. For now, I want to program HDL on. How can we do it? Go to function. Go to the HDL on sound by 5.7, this item. Enter it. So you need to create the project. For example, my home. And then create new. This is the setting page for HDL on. For first, we need to add the room. Okay, select this room. We can modify the name. For example, bedroom. Okay, this is the room. You can add more. Sorry. Okay, this is the bedroom. You can add more room too. Okay, select the room which you want to add device. Okay, go to the add device. I can add, for example, add my dimmer. I have 4-channel dimmer. Select it. Okay, 4-channel dimmer. And then you can check the address. 10, 16, 10, 16. Okay, 10, 16. This is the channel number. And this is the remark, dimming channel. Maybe, for example, bedroom light, or okay, light dimming light 1. You can set any remark. Okay, this for dimmer. If you want to add relay, same, add device, go to the relay. How many channels relay do you want to add? Or you can add in the right side. Here, right side. This device is the one which you search. Okay, find my relay. This is my relay. Enable it. Right click add. So you can see it will add 4-channel relay. This is the address, and we can modify the remark. But for now, I want to control the AC. I have the DLP panel to control the AC, and then I want to use my app to control the AC. How can I do it? Okay, go to the add device, go to the AC, because I have a DLP panel to control the AC, so I can select panel AC. One panel AC, go here, and then I can set the panel address of it. My DLP panel control 1 IRAC, so in HDL on app, I can send command to the panel, and then panel control the AC. Okay, address of my panel. AC panel, or maybe bedroom AC, no problem. Bedroom AC. If you want to control the curtain, I can add curtain. Because this curtain just support open, close, stop, so we need to select curtain module, 2 channels. Okay, and then I can find the address of the curtain. Okay, wait a moment. The curtain, 2-channel curtain. Okay, I can search it again. Okay, search again so I can find my curtain. The address is 1019, 1018. Okay, go back to this one. Set the address of the curtain module. Curtain module. And then you can, because we just have one curtain, so curtain channel 2 I did not want to use, so I can display it. And here is the icon type. Okay, ignore it. So this is for devices. Okay, if you want to use the color view to control, okay, same. Select the bedroom, add the RGB. Okay, I have one RGB light, and the RGB light is connected to DMS48 DMS controller. Okay, 1010 address, RGB. Okay, it is the color view. This is the devices. So if you finish to add the device, maybe you want to add the scene. Maybe we can use the room scene. Okay, scene number 2. One thing is turn off all light. Okay, you can add the target. For example, turn off broadcast channel. Turn off all light. Turn off all dimming light. Okay, dimming light address is, wait a moment, find the address, 16. All turn off. Okay, and add one, turn off all the relay light. 19. Okay. Okay, and other thing, turn on all lights on. Address of dimmer and relay. Okay, dimmer 16. All channel turn on. Okay, save it. So I'm finished my setting. How can I upload? But there is one important thing. You need to add the gateway. Add the gateway before you upload. So you can add in right side, double add. This is the gateway. So it has the gateway address and the gateway MAC, the physical MAC. You can add in the right side. If you do not search it, you can add by manual. For example, you can go to the add device, one IP, one port bus. You can add by manual. Set the address of the gateway 10.0 MAC. How can I read the MAC? Go back here. This is the gateway. Double click it. This is the MAC. I can copy MAC, and then go back to setting page. Paste it. So you have two ways to add the gateway. If you can search or if you can see it in the right side, you can enable it and then right click add. If you do not search it, you can add by manual. Go to the add device, go to the one IP, one port bus. So two ways to add the gateway. And then now I want to upload to my phone. Go to the upload. And you need to make sure your phone and the PC connect to the same network. Okay, check my phone. I need to connect to same network. Okay, now it is connected. This is my same router. Okay, 4G router. Go back to HDL on. Open it. Just open it. First one is make sure phone and PC connect to the same router. And then go back to Buzzport. Click Find On. So it will show the HDL on account, my HDL on account. Can go here. This is my HDR on account. And the passport can find it. And then click upload. Click upload. And then wait a moment. So after upload, it will show the upload new gateway is brought with other home of this card. Are you sure to switch to home and overwrite the data? Okay, I confirm. Maybe if this gateway MAC was used in other account, so you can't write the MAC in your account. What does it mean? One gateway MAC just can write in one account. Okay, click confirm. Resident switch successful. Are you sure to backup the upload data to the cloud? This is show you if you have backup to the cloud or not. Okay, so just confirm backup. Backup name, demo. Okay, and then save it. Backup success. Okay, this is my phone. Okay, I can go to rooms. You can see there is the bedroom. Rooms. This is the bedroom. I upload the bedroom. You can modify the name here or modify the picture. No problem. Cancel. Enter it. Double click. Enter it. So this is the light and this is the device which I upload. Because we upload 4 channels dimming, 4 dimming channels, dimming light 2, 3, 4, relay 1, 2, 3, 4, curtain, RGB, scene. So you can see AC. This is the device which I upload. I can control the light here, turn on the light, turn on the relay, turn on, off. Curtain, this is the RGB, enter it. So you can see this is the color wheel. The color wheel, so first we need to turn on the light, maybe 65%, and I want to turn this color. So my DMS controller turn off this color. Go to the yellow, red, green, blue. So you can control anything, any color which you want. Okay, this is for RGB. Turn off it. Okay, go back. This is the devices in the room. Okay, go back. We can go to the functions page. So you can see there is some function area for the AC. You can control the AC here. Turn on the AC. Okay, go back. It is the curtain. We can control curtain, open, close, stop. This is some other functions which you don't want to use. For example, I don't have the floor heating, I don't have the camera, I don't have the security. What can I do? We can hide the function. How can we do it? Go to the settings. Go to the account. And then there is the function management. Go here. I don't want to show floor heating, camera, security, TV, music, electronic, fan, door lock. I don't have. Okay, we can disable it. Okay, confirm. And then we can go back. Functions. So you can see there is just some functions here. Intercom. Oh, I don't have intercom. Disable it again. Intercom. Oh, this intercom is because I bought some intercom in my account, so I can't disable it in here. Okay, for example, if you have music, you can enable it. This is the functions page. And there's the favorite. favorite. We can add some device here. Click add. For example, this is the light which I always control. I can enable here. In the curtain, enable, sure. So you can see there is the relay and curtain. You can control it directly. No need to go to the functions, no need to go to the rooms. Okay, this is our HDR on, HDR on. Before is HDR on control in local control. But now I want to go outside and I want to use HDR on app to control the device in my house. So I need to use a remote control. Okay, for remote control, you need to make sure the gateway enable the remote server. Okay, this is the remote server. After enable, okay, go to my phone. For now, there is black bar on the top. That means local connect. If I want to use remote, so I can switch my network. Okay, disable my Wi-Fi and just use mobile data. Use mobile data. Okay, so you can see there is a green color bar on the top. Green color bar, that means the remote connection and the gateway is online. You can click the HDR logo. Okay, click it so it will check again. This is in the remote connection. So I can check which light is turned on now. Go here, the bedroom, the relay channel 1 is turned on now, and I can turn off it. For example, turn off. My light is off now. Okay, if you want to control the curtain or control the AC, no problem. This is for remote control. But maybe sometimes there is a red color bar on the top. That means it is in remote connection mode, but the gateway is offline or cannot connect to the gateway. If there is red color bar, what should I do? If there is red color bar, you need to check in the HDR Cloud Management website. Okay, go here. This is HDR Cloud Management System website. Go to this website and fill in, log in your HDR on account. For example, my account. Okay, enter it. In HDR Cloud website, there is the gateway. If the gateway password is long, for example, I change it. If the gateway password is long, so you can't remote control your project. For example, save it. The password was long. Okay, go to my phone to check. This gateway password means here. This one, the gateway password. Maybe there is nothing in the gateway password. You need to check and make sure you set correct password. Okay. Change back to the correct one. This for remote control. If there show red color, that means HDR Cloud website, maybe the gateway password is long. You need to check. This for HDR on remote control. Maybe someone will ask, can we use the push notification? Yes, of course, our HDO has the push message. We need to go to HDO Cloud, this website, to set. This is the message. Go here, notification. We can add the message here. This message will show in your HDO On app. It has the message subnet ID, device ID, and the message number. What does it mean? This is the address for devices which you want to trigger the push message. For example, I have a button. Go back here, I have a button. Maybe I have an emergency button in the room. Okay, for example, go to the page 4. Go to the page 4, push message. Okay, mode. We can use single or mode. Just send out the command. What function do we need to set up when I want to push a message? So you need to send the universal switch. Okay, send universal switch to the gateway, and then gateway will link to HDO server. Okay, gateway 10.0. Type universal switch. We must send universal switch to the gateway, so this button can trigger the notification. This is the switch number. Switch number, no problem. You can use from 1 to 254. For example, I use 10 here. The switch data on. Save it. This means when you press this button will send universal switch 10 on this command to the gateway, and then gateway will link to HDO server. Go here. Message. This is the device which send universal switch command to the gateway. In here, my panel send universal switch. This is my panel. My panel send universal switch command to the gateway. So I need to set the address of my panel in the website. 10.3. My panel address. Message number. Message number, it is the universal switch number. Here I use universal switch number 10. So the message, I can use the notice or alarm. For example, use notice. And then I just use push message. Okay, message, need help. Okay, then click yes. This is the push message. Okay, in here, in the HDO Cloud website, the push message, the subnet ID and the device ID is the device which send universal switch to the gateway. Okay, here is 10.3. This panel send universal switch number 10 to the gateway. So in the cloud, the subnet ID and device ID is the panel which device send universal switch number to the gateway. So we need to set the address of the device. Message ID. This is the universal switch number. Here I use 10. Message type. We can use notice. And the method is push message. Need help. So when I press the button 4, press the button 1 in page 4. Go to the panel. Okay. Press the button 1 in page 4. Okay, go to my phone in here. This is my phone. And I run the HDR on. And then I make it in, okay, now I'm in the desktop. Go to my panel, page 4. Wait a moment. Page 4. Now I press button 1. So it will push a message to the HDR on. Okay, I press the button. So it will has a push message in the phone. I can go to the HDR on to check. There is a new message. Read it. Need help. This need help is the message content which I set in the HDR Cloud website. Okay, this is for message, push message. It is very easy. You need to use the device to send universal switch to the gateway. For example, panel, subnet ID 10, device ID 3. This panel send universal switch number 10 to the gateway. So in HDR Cloud website, the subnet ID, device ID is the device which send the universal switch command to the gateway. You can add more. For example, you can add more notification. Subnet ID 10, 3, my panel. I can use message number 11. Notice push message. Okay, yes. So I can add another button to trigger this message. Same. Okay, save it. Go to the tag setting. Send universal switch number to the gateway. Okay, gateway address, type, universal switch. Parameter is the message number. Okay, on, save it. This is for message 2, test message. Okay, I can go to my phone. Here is my phone. Press the button 2 in page 4. Wait a moment, save it. Sorry, I set wrong address here. This is the gateway address, 10.0. Save it. Okay, press again. I can have a push message, test message. Okay, can go to HDR on, read it again, to message. This is our push message. Okay, the HDR on is finished. Okay, for now, I will show you another app, more app, which built inside S5.7 panel. This is our new panel. Okay, for program the data, it is same like HDR on. So there is some important is for bedroom. We need to set the floor name for the S5.7 panel. We need to set the floor name. And then please don't add thing in here. This is the global thing. The wall app not support global thing. So if you want to control the thing, so we can add the room thing here. So two important things. First one is we need to add the floor name first, and then don't add thing in here. If you want to control the thing, go to add device, room thing. You can add room thing here. So I can use the same data and then upload to Wall app. Okay, click upload. This is our upload page. Okay, go to my S5.7 panel. 5.7 panel. This is the 5.7 panel. Okay, please make sure it connect to same network. Okay, we need to connect the same network. Okay, connect it. Okay, and then we need to check the IP for the S5.7 panel. Okay, go to the setup, and you need to go to the setup. You need to enter the password. The default is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then now the IP is 109. Okay, 109, and then upload. Okay, wait a moment for upload. After finish the upload, you need to you can restart the panel, this S5.7 panel, or you can go back here and then enter again. So it will refresh the data. Move from right to left. Go here. You can see there is the bedroom. Floor 1, it has the bedroom. Okay, it has the scene. All lights off scene, all lights on scene. This is the scenes which we programmed in the Passport software. Okay, go to the light. It has the dimming light, 4 dimming light, 4 relay light, and 1 RGB. This is the RGB. And if you want to dim the light, press here. You can set the brightness. This for dimming light. And then we can add the light to the front page. Okay, add it. So you can see there is 2 lights here. Okay, if you want to add scene, go back. In here you can see in the front page there is 2 things which you always control. Okay, and there is the curtain. This is the AC. This is our wall app, which built inside S5.7 panel. So it is very easy. Okay, so we finished to show you the HDR app and the wall app which built inside S5.7 panel. Okay, and later I will show you how to use Echo, the Alexa voice machine to control HDR system. Voice machine we integrate with Alexa and Google Home. For now, I will show you the Alexa. This is the menu to program the Alexa to control HDR. So we need to do some steps. First, you need to have one Alexa voice machine. For example, Echo. Okay. First one, you need to log in. You need to log in the Amazon Alexa to bright your Echo. This is the step. Go to the register website. Open the website and register an account for Alexa. Okay, and then go to the Echo setup. This step means bright the Echo module, Echo voice machine to your account, to your Amazon account. Okay, this is the setup to bright the Echo voice machine to your account. Okay, you can follow the steps. For now, I will not show you the steps because my internet has little slowly, so I will ignore it. Okay, bright the Echo, bright the Echo. After success is set up, so the Echo is in your account, Amazon account. This is the first step. And second, you need to set up the device in HDL Cloud. Okay, go to the HDL Cloud management system. Okay, go here. This is my Amazon Alexa, and then I bright my Echo. Okay, this first step. Second, go to HDL Cloud system. You need to log in your HDL on account. Okay, I will log out and log in again. So there is two types of account. First one is Amazon account. The second is HDL account. For now, I log in HDL account because I need to use HDL Cloud to set up the devices which I want to control in the voice machine. This is my home. You can see here. So I need to add the gateway, MAC. Okay, go back here, double click the gateway address, copy the MAC, and then go back to here. And there is the project name, username, and password. That means our gateway need to enable the remote server function. Project name, username, password. Okay, go back here, double click it. My group name, project name, username, password is this one. Okay, fill here, demo. And password. Save it. This for gateway, and second, you need to program the device which you want to control. For example, I want to control my read rate at the device. The read rate just have on and off, so I can add toggle light. This device name, for example, bedroom light. Okay, subnet ID 1019, channel number 1, bedroom light. If you want more, you can add more. Bedroom reading room light. Oh, long. Okay. Light 2. Subnet ID 1019, channel number 2. If you want to control the AC, you can add more curtain and other. Okay, I just add 2 lights here. Scene. If you have the scene to control it, you can add the scene. Okay. For default, there is nothing in the scene setup. Okay, add the scene. For example, all on. So you can add the device. Control all light turn on. Okay, and then go back. This is one thing. If you have more. Okay, all off. Save it. Add the device. Okay, control the all light turn off. Confirm. Go back. So I finished my setup in HDR side. In HDR side, you need to add the gateway. The gateway need to enable the remote server function, and then add the device which you want to control in the voice machine, and then add the scene which you want to control in the voice machine. After I finished here, we need to go to the Amazon Alexa. Go here. It has the skills. You can search HDR skill. Search HDR. So there is the HDR smart home. Enter it. Because I enabled the skill before, if you do not enable before, you can enable the skill here. Okay, see the picture. To go to the menu, you can see here HDR at the gateway here, and then at the device, at the scene, and then after you finish the setup, go to the Alexa website, go to the skill here, go to the skill and search HDR or HDR smart home, then go to it. Here has the enable here. Click enable, go to the HDR login page. Please log in your HDR on account, and then you will jump to verify page. Okay, jump to here. Fill in your HDR on account and password, and then it will link the Amazon Alexa will link to HDR account. So Alexa can search the device which you set. Okay, discover the device. So it will discover the device which you programmed. Okay, go back to my Alexa here. So I can go to the smart home because I bought HDR account before. Go to the devices and then discover the devices which I programmed in HDR Cloud website. And you will take some time to looking for devices. This is the Alexa. Because my Alexa voice machine is Echo. So later I will talk to the Echo. Okay, Echo. How are you?
I'm feeling delighted and a little excited to see how you react to today's fun fact.
Okay, this is my Echo. After looking for the device, I can use the Echo to control my device. For example, Echo.
Okay, here's Phone Finder. No device added yet. Please add a device first.
Echo, please turn on the bedroom light. Echo, please turn on the bedroom light. Okay, the light turn on. Echo, please turn off bedroom light. Okay, my light turn off. So this is the voice control. You can use the Alexa to control the lights and control the scene. So just can control the devices and scene. If you want to control the AC, control the AC or music, you can create the scene and use the scene to control the AC or control the music. This is the Alexa control. Okay. So the Alexa control is finished.